Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today is the day. If you're seeing this, Savage University is active, it's live. You could go join my new program that has just come out down with the link below. I can't wait to see you in there. I'm super excited. I've worked on this all year, bunkered down building this and using my perfectionist mentality to make sure that all the videos are going to point you in exactly the right direction at the right time. So make sure you watch through in order and make sure you're active when we go live on the live streams. That's where you'll be able to communicate with me. I'll be able to answer not only your questions, but a lot of people who are in the same stage as you will be able to answer their questions as well. On top of that, there's many more perks to being in there, including access to my freight forwarder, my photographers, my all that good stuff, packaging creation. But I'm excited to be able to create a community of people who are 100% committed. A lot of you have been asking for this, and the day has come. So this is for those people who don't need to make $1 million a year to be happy, right? You know, all the 18-year-olds and who cares what your age is, but all those people that are falling for those, you know, Lamborghini ads, is, you know, it's a cute dude walking out with this girl on the side, and it's like, yeah, I make $600,000 a year on Amazon and profit, and that's not what I've been hearing that a lot of people are excited about, right? Most people just want to be able to have a side hustle, right? At least start that way. Get something working. We don't need to have every product make $100,000 per month. There's this false standard that has been set up. And we're going to try and go in and we're going to try and get you those small wins so you can start stacking success stories one by one until, who knows, maybe one day you will be doing this as your full-time income. I'm not promising anything, but if you follow the steps that I've followed and avoid the mistakes that I'm going in depth and going to be sharing with you, you should be well on your way. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the program. If not, I'll see you here for another video on the channel next week. I am going to be going away for a few days. It is my birthday, so my girlfriend is taking me on a small vacation. So I'll be seeing you here shortly on the channel. And for those of you who join, I will be seeing you in the program. Thanks so much, guys. Later.